Welcome to HOS Technologies. Here we are demonstrating solar powered wireless power transmission. So here we are transmitting the power through mutual induction concept. So from the solar panel we are going to charge the battery. So in daytime it will work parallelly. So whenever the sunlight is present on the solar panel, it will generate the 12 volts, and we are using 12 volt 5 watt of solar panel, and this generator voltage will be given through this charging circuit. So on coming to this charging circuit, we are using a rectifier section, though it's a DC power supply, but if is there any interchanging connection, is there any reverse polarity connected at this section, then the battery and the charging circuit will damage. So in order to protect that, so we are going to using the rectifier section, so that the output of the rectifier, as we know that it's a DC, pure DC, that is negative and positive. So then it will given through this capacitor in order to maintain the bit current, and with that voltage will be given through this diodes to this battery. So the purpose of these diodes is, so if it will allow the current in one direction, as we know, so then the battery voltage will not given back to the solar panel. So in order to protect that, we are using the diodes, and the LED indication will indicating the charging status of this battery. And by switching on this circuitry switch, so the circuit will get the power supply. So here we are using the two MOSFETs, so and the two diodes, Schottky diodes. So from these Schottky diodes we are going to generating the around 250 kilohertz of frequency, and that was given to this coil. So this coil will generate the signal, magnificent signal, to this coil, around this coil, and when we place this secondary coil in this induced EMF, the secondary coil will induced and it will generate the voltage, and it will given through this rectification circuit same and to the LED indication. So from the LED indication we came to know that the power is received at the receiver section. So let us see the demonstration. So for the confirmation, just I am keeping this circuitry distance purpose and just switching on that. So sorry, I forgot to switch on the switch on this receiver section. Right, you can see that power is receiving at the receiver end. So now let us see the distance. Yeah, at this point we receive the power. Right, it's going to be around of 10 centimeters we will receiving the power. So above also it will come, but less power, as we are using the rectifiers. So each one diode will remove the 0.7 volts. So that's why in the above distance we are unable to receive the maximum power. Okay, right. Thank you for watching demo.